Morning! One of my favorite things, the fall and the leaves that come with it. So, how beautiful is this? I love how they sound. I love how they look. Look at the beauty of the fall. Now, believe it or not, I do love the leaves on the ground because they do a lot for the soil, and that's something that we forget about. So I know it's harder in the city because your neighbors might not like you, but even in the city, my husband knows I love to leave the leaves on the ground, and we leave them there until the spring. Yeah, our neighbors aren't too happy with us, but you know what? We have a great lawn in the spring because all those nutrients go into your lawn. So, if you really don't want to have too much leaves showing, well, then you can mulch them and all those nutrients go back into the ground. So yeah, one of my favorite things, fall leaves. They're awesome. So if you feel that you don't want to leave them on the ground, although, try it because they're beautiful. You walk on them and they crunch and the sound is awesome. But if you feel like you don't want to do that, then rake them and put them in your composter. Just put them in a pile. Don't put them actually in your composter because there's so many that they won't break down. But put them in a pile and then use them next year for some nutrients for your garden, right? It's awesome! One of my favorite things, fall and the leaves that come with it. You have a great day.